In Japan, the function of idols is to be pure, aspiring, and make people happy with their unique character. The main factor is to look cute, and in that case, every girl's BFF, makeup, can help to achieve this form of cuteness. We must know how to use our weapons correctly. For that reason, I'll guide you the way and show you how to look cute and bubbly like a Japanese idol. Let's start! First, use a moisturizer, preferably a natural one like argan oil, which is rich in vitamin E and makes your skin bright and smooth. Next, spread primer all over your face. This will allow your makeup to spread evenly and last all day long. A significant factor considering that idols are super busy and performing on stage. Get your corrector and a brush, because now we want to hide our petty imperfections like dark circles or redness. Apply corrector on your chin and over your eyebrows too, because this will brighten your overall appearance. When applied, blend the corrector using your fingers. Give a puddle of liquid foundation on your hand surface. Gather some of the foundation and start applying at the side of your nose, continuing to blend up to your cheekbones, under your eye, and so on in an upwards motion. Always be gentle and never pull or drag your skin. Once you're finished with that, apply a light concealer, starting from the inner corner of your eye, under your eye, and eyelid. Set the concealer with powder. This takes away the remaining darkness and defines your eyes. Finally, set the base makeup with powder. The one I'm using contains soybean complex, which delivers oxygen while allowing my skin to breathe. Eyes are so important. It's the first thing we look at on a person. Japanese idols sometimes wear brown to neutral colored eye-enlarging contact lenses to give the impression of adorable puppy eyes. Choose an orange cream color for your eyeshadow base. Applying this color on your eyelid makes you look happier and friendlier. Apply a dark chocolate color on your inner crease and end the stroke with a wing. Then blend it into the base eyeshadow to widen your eyes. Swipe a powder brush over your eyelids to take away excessive eyeshadow. Now, neutralize the harshness of the color by swiping a white to creamy color over your eyelids. And that's how we create a natural-looking eye makeup, yet rich in tones. Eyeliner pencils are much easier to use than liquid eyeliner. Draw a thin line along 3/4 of your lash line. We need this thin line in the next step for the fake eyelashes. For this look, we need the most natural looking but girly falsies we can find. Apply the glue carefully and stick the center of the lash band close to your lash line and press the other ends on too. dense and lengthen your upper and lower lashes with mascara. Enhancing lashes really does magic to your look. Cheeks. Use a soft cotton candy pink and apply generously on your cheek apples for a happy, youthful, and sweet look. Lip makeup. First, moisture your lips with a lip balm. Then, apply a nude lip plumping gloss to enhance your lips, but keep it look all natural. Don't forget, eyebrows are really important too. If you have arched ones, try to make them more straight, using an eyeshadow in your hair color to bring out your eyes and define your face. And with that, you're finished. Wear this makeup with Japanese idol style clothes and a cute smile. This look is also great for every day because it's so natural and pretty. Have fun looking like your favorite Japanese idol. See you in my next video. Bye bye!